Okay, we're at Josh's address. What is this address, Josh?
745 Dennison.
745 Dennison. And we've got a big cold air return. Got a bunch of peeling paint. Got two windows in the very front on a very nice porch, I might add. Big window here. And this would be presumably the dining room. And a nice window there, and that leads to the downstairs. Oh, there's the downstairs. Oh, that's the side door. All right. And some leakage around the fireplace or chimney. Old cabinets. All right, gas run there. Some newer cabinets, the older maple type. But all in all, just got it. And it's a small kitchen with a very decent size dining room. Then we have hot air ducts. That's all good. Going upstairs. Have a wide staircase. That's good. Another view of the living room with some access part right here for some unknown reason. Okay, we turn. And you've got, is this a 2-bedroom or a 3?
2.
And the bathroom is up here. So we don't have a bathroom downstairs.
Correct.
All right. All right. And just for the heck, it is insulated. Hell's bells. They missed a lot of room. They could open this up. That's a lot of room in there. So what my dad did back in the day...
That's a closet.
Huh?
That's a closet.
Not this. This is dead space here. This is huge. This is...
okay.
There's a lot of room there. That's 5 feet anyway. Anyway, you make it slope that way. And at the very least, you put in
Yeah,
dressers and embed them. Whoa, I nearly fell down. And a little bedroom here. But no leaks. You know what, Josh? I don't see any leaks. Person were to put a bathroom right here, they would be fairly close to the kitchen. I'm not sure if that's a great idea, but... Are you in the basement? This is kind of a wasted space right there. It's dried? How the hell can this be dry? I thought you told me it was like...
That's what Ken said.
Oh, he was in the wrong house.
Oh shit, there's an open window right there.
Oh, yeah.
I'm surprised they didn't take all this fucking ductwork and shit.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, for sure.
And it's like a little homemade jobber bedroom down here.
Well, yeah, but you could bust open a deal and actually turn it into a bedroom. Looks like they did. Did you put all this wood up? These walls?
I don't think so. I mean, it would be unofficial.
No, you could make it as long as you have 2 means of escape.
Right.
Wonder why they even had this chimney here. And why is it so much bigger upstairs? That makes no sense to me.
Alright, we get the level of the land.
Yep. Okay, let me turn off my